Well, it's that time of the year for white sneakers to have their moment in the sun. Yeah, literally, summer. It's summer. And you need white sneakers. And you know, since I'm celebrating 2 years of Broke Boy Summer, I'm grateful to the guys at Reebok for sending through a white pair. And what do you know? When you see that ape head, you know it's a Bape collab. Let's take a moment, first of all, to appreciate this box. Look at all that Bape camo. You know I went with my regular size UK 8, US 9, but you have the olive, the desert, red, what's that, purple? And navy, of course. Man, this box is crispy. I love it. I love how this box came through to me. And of course you have your branding. It says a Reebok Classic on this side, like it is a bathing ape, and that vector logo with that Bape head. And let's also give a shout out to the guys at Raw Sauce for sending through this t-shirt. As you can tell, over the last 4 months, I've gotten a little bit pokey. So yeah, some sauce for those ribs. Without much further ado, a pink side as well. Let's get into the actual sneaker. This is going to be a quick video as I lift this box open. If you're new to the channel, you know what you got to do. Subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, because it's been a long time since I picked up a pair of sneakers. I think 3 months if I'm not mistaken. So you know, this video has been a long time in the making. Well, not a long time in the making because I started making it right now, but yeah, I'm just rambling. The butter paper with that Bapesta branding. Woo. Clean, clean. Let's get the pair out. And I'm gonna have to get both of them out because they kind of are mismatched. Bam! There you have it. The Reebok Club C 85. And this one's a collab with Bape. And they've taken inspiration from the Bapesta. And where do you see that? On the other side. Now what's interesting about this pair is that the left side mirrors the right side. Left leg mirrors the right leg. I mean, whatever way you say it. So while the right side has your typical Reebok window with the Union Jack right there, the left pair has the Bape star vibe on the outside. So your lateral sides are, as you can tell, mismatched, but the same carries on to the medial sides. Mismatched here again. Probably the first time that I'm seeing the medial side of a Club C have that Reebok window with the Union Jack. On the back heel tab, you have the Bapesta branding. You can see the Reebok vector right there. Same on both pairs. Whereas the insole is a little different again, because your left side says a bathing ape, whereas your right side says a Reebok Classic, like you saw on the box. Your outsole is the usual Reebok Club C 85 kind of an outsole. This pair has contrasting stitches going through in blue and red, and they follow more or less the same theme on the uppers. It only varies when you look at the midsole stitch, because here on your left pair you have a red stitch running through and the right pair has a blue stitch. You see how it is, otherwise it's more or less uniform in all the other panels of the pair. Your tongue label, you have the Reebok logo as well as Bapesta done right there. The lining, the sock liner, is leather, which is different because I'm usually used to seeing like a terry wool or a towel kind of a finish on the sock liner. That's different on this pair. And last but not the least are the shoelaces. They have this very off-white kind of a thing going on, with one side saying a bathing ape and the other side saying a Reebok Classic. And that's it for this review. Short and quick. You know everything that there is to know about a Club C by now. The other Club C that I did a review on would have to be the Assassin's Creed, I guess. And that was a very different pair from this. It was a Revenge, was it? Yeah, I think it was a Revenge. And then there was a Tom and Jerry pair. Of course, Tom and Jerry pair. That was a Club C as well. But this is right in time for summer. I'm going to be beating this up a fair bit. In terms of sizing, I got to let you know that I went with my true size, which is a UK 8. But it tends to be a little snug. I got to break it in and see how it wears. But if you have the choice, probably go half a size up. They aren't going for too much over retail on StockX and Goat and all other such places, you still should be able to find a pair. Retail was 12,000 rupees Indian. Man, I'm gonna slip these on feet to show you what they look like. Alright, so thank you for staying all the way to the end for my Reebok Bapesta video. Let me know in the comments what you think about the pair. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.